Okay, hi guys, hello. Welcome you all to Learncrew and for the exciting news for today is we had an overwhelming response for our previous set of videos that is for Super 20 test series for IBPS Clerical. Now we are bringing you the new program which is for your IBPS Clerical Mains, IBPS PO Prelims, Mains and also for your RRB. So do not waste any further. You won't get this kind of content anywhere on the YouTube. So please do subscribe to the channel. And in case if you are planning to start your preparation for your banking, SSC or for your railways, do look no further. We are having an exclusive program designed for you people to crack the exam much more conveniently with a rigorous study pattern. So do stay subscribed and follow us for more details. Enquiry form is given below. Please fill it up. Our team will give you a call back and we'll reach out to you and help you out. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone. So in today's paper discussion, we will have IBPS RRB Clerk Mains Mock Test 4 Quantitative Aptitude Section Analysis. In this, see first from question number 7 to 9, you have find the wrong number. So find the wrong number 64, 64.5, 65.5, 75, 89, 111.5. So if you see here, 64 plus 0.5 into 1 is 64.5. 64.5 plus 64.5 plus 1.5 into 2 is 67.5. 67.5 plus 2.5 into 3 is 75. So here 65.5 is the wrong term. Here you should have 75. Here you should have 67.5. So 75 plus 3.5 into 4 is 89. 89. So the wrong number is 65.5. Next question. 44, 49, 68, 108, 109, 198, 359. If you see 44 plus 1 cube plus 2 square, 44 plus 5 is 49. Now 49 plus 2 cube plus 3 square. So 49 plus 17. 49 plus 17 is 66. Here 68 is there, which is the wrong term. 2, 4, 16, 111. So if you see here, how much? 2 5 is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 6 is 24. 24 minus 7. 24 minus 7 is how much? 17. 17 into 7, 119 minus 8 is 111. 111 into 8 minus 9 is 879, which is correct. So here wrong number is 16. Here we should have 17. Okay. Next. 78. The following numbers, find the odd one. 78, 80, 86, 110, 240. 78 plus 2 is 80. 78 plus 2 factorial. 80 plus 3 factorial. 80 plus 6, 86. 86 plus 4 factorial, 24 is 110. 110 plus 5 factorial, 120 is 230. 240 is the wrong term. Now next question. 101, 116. 116, 1, 116, 143. So 241 plus 70. 185 plus 56. 143 plus 42. If you see here 14 5s are, 14 4s are, 14 3s are. It has to be 14 2s are. It has to be 14 1s are. So 101 plus 4 is 115. 116 is the wrong number. Next, a piece of an alloy contains brass and bronze mixed in the ratio 7:6 respectively. The alloy is melted in the furnace and 91 grams of alloy is taken out of it and replaced with 60 grams of bronze, so that the ratio of the brass to bronze in the alloy thus formed becomes 3:4. 3:4. So 91 13 parts, each part 7. So 49 and 42. So 7x minus 49 divided by 6x minus 42 plus 60 plus 60 grams of bronze is added, thereby the ratio would be 3:4 given. If you simplify here, I am going to get x as 25. X as 25. Find the initial quantity of an alloy. Initial quantity of alloy is 13x, which is 325. 325. So answer is option 3. Next, a milkman has two containers A and B. Container A contains pure milk and container B contains the mixture of milk and water. The milkman replaces 8 liters of pure milk from container A with water. He attempts this process thrice, that the ratio of milk to water in the final mixture becomes 512:217 in the container A. If the amount of mixture in container B is 25% more than the amount of pure milk present initially in container A, and the ratio of milk to water in the container B is 8:7, then find the quantity of milk present in the container B. So please see here. Please see here the quantity of milk and water in the final mixture. The final mixture is some 512y and 217y. Okay, I am taking. So 512y plus 217y total is how much? 729y. 729y. And what happened here? Please see. Finally, it is given that the final quantity of pure milk is equal to initial quantity of pure milk into 1 minus amount of replacement done by amount of liquid in container A whole power n, where n is number of times it is replaced. So I can write here with the help of my formula. 512y is equal to 729y into 1 minus 8 by k. K is the amount of pure milk in the container A initially, whole cube 3 times. So from this I got 512y by 729y, which is y by cancel, 8 by 9 whole cube. 8 by 9, 8 cube, which is 9 cube. So 8 by 9 is equal to 1 minus 8 by k. From this I get the amount of pure milk in the container A initially, that is K, is 72 liters. 72 liters. So quantity of mixture in container B is how much? Is how much? 25% more. So 125% of 72, which is 90 liters. Quantity of milk in B. Milk in B would be how much? 8 by 15. 8:7 is the ratio. So 8 by 15 of 90, which is 48 liters. So answer is here 48 liters. Answer is how much? 48 liters. Next question. Arman, Vijay and Ketan together can complete the work in 30 days. Arman and Ketan together can complete the work in 45 days. Arman is 25% less efficient than Vijay. Arman, Vijay and Ketan increase their efficiencies by 100%, 50% and 60% respectively. Then by working together, they can complete the work in how many days? So 30 and 45. The LCM is 90. So the total work is 90 units. Here Arman, Vijay and Ketan. So Arman can do, all of them together can do how much? 3 units per day. Arman and Ketan together can complete the work in 45 days. 45 days. So Arman and Ketan are doing 2 units. Thereby Vijay is doing 1 unit. Because altogether 30 units. So now it is given that Arman is 25% less efficient than Vijay. So Arman and Vijay, the efficiencies are in the ratio 3:4. 3:4. Arman and Vijay increase their efficiencies. So please see here, number of days work done, number of units. Vijay alone can do how much? 1. Vijay alone can do 1. If Vijay alone is doing 1, please understand the number of units done by Arman alone. If 4 is 1, 3 would be 0.75. So Arman is doing 0.75. Vijay is doing 1. So Ketan is doing 1.25. 1.25. Now Arman, Vijay and Ketan increase their efficiency by 100%, 50% and 60%. So what is 100% of 0.75? When it is increased, it becomes 1.5. When it is increased by 50%, it becomes 1.5. When it is increased by 60%, what is 60% of 1.25? 0.75. So it becomes 2. 1.5 plus 1.5, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 per day to complete total 90, 90 by 5. It takes 90 by 5 now. 90 by 5, it takes 18 days. So answer is 18 days. So answer is none of this. Next, Amal, Ram and Raju together can complete a work in 8 days. With Sujal, they can complete the work in 6 days. So Amal and Ram together can complete the work in 12 days. Raju and Sujal work with half of their efficiency. Find number of days taken by them to complete the work. So Amal, Ram and Raju, 8 days. Amal, Ramu and Raju. Next, Amal, Ramu, Raju and Sujal. So same work, 8 and 6 LCM is 24. So 24 means 8 days 24, 1 day 3 and 6 days 24, 1 day 4. So Sujal is doing how much? Sujal is doing 1 alone. Amal and Ram together can complete the work in 12 days. 12 days 24. 12 days 24. So 1 day Amal and Ram can do 2. And Raju is doing how much? Raju is doing 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. Now if Raju and Sujal work with half of their efficiencies, Raju and Sujal full efficiency they can do 2. Half of the efficiency means 1. Find the number of days taken by them to complete the work. So 24 by 1, which is 24 days. It takes 24 days to complete the work. Next, a committee of 10 persons is to be formed from a group of 8 men and 7 men. In how many days the committee having at most 4 women can be formed? At most 4 women. So what is the thing here? It would be C. 4 women and at least what is given? At most 4 women. At most 4 women. So it can be 4 women, and 6 men, or 3 women, 7 men, or 2 women, 8 men. 2 men, 8 men. Okay, so you cannot say one woman because 9 men are not there here. Yes or no? So 7C4 is same as 7C3, which is 35. 8C 35 into 28. 7C is 3 is 35. 8C7 has 80. 8C1 8. Then 7C2 is 21. 8C8 is 1. 35 28 are 980. 35 8s are 280. 21 1s are 21. Thereby 980 plus 280, 1260, 1260 plus 21, 1281 is the answer. Next question. In a group, there are 5 dancers, 6 engineering, 8 engineers, 8 professors and 4 players. Out of which 3 dancers, 2 engineers and 4 professors and 4 players are females and rest are males. A committee of 6 members is to be selected from the group such that the committee contains 1 male from each profession and 2 females from each profession. So total number of females will be how much here? 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. Total 11 females. 11 females. So here you have to select each profession. A committee of 6 members has to be selected from each profession such that contains 1 male from each profession and 2 females from each profession. So it is nothing but 2C1 into 4C1 into 4C1 into 2C1 into 11C2 So how much you are going to get here? 2C1 is 2, 4C1 is 4 and 2C1 is 2, 11C2 is 55. Thereby the answer is 3520. 3520 is the answer. Now next. The cost price of an article is directly proportional to the square of weight of the article. If the article is cut into 3 pieces such that the ratio of the weights of the first, second and third piece is 4:5:3. 4:5:3 and difference between the second and third, 5x minus 3x is how much? 8 kilo. Then x is 4 here. Thereby total weight would be 4x plus 5x plus 3x, which is 12x, which is 48. Now what is given here? The cost of price is without break any cut is 5760. So it is directly proportional. That's why I can say k into 48 square. K into 48 square is 5760. So I will get k as 5760 divided by 48 square is 2304. Thereby it is how much? Some 2.5. So weight of first piece. What is the weight of first piece? 4. It's already very clear now. Weight of first piece is asked. Find the cost price of first piece. Find the cost price of the first piece. What is the cost price of the first piece? First piece is actually 4x. Okay. First piece is actually how much? 4x. So 4x whole square into k. So 2.5 into 16 square 256, which is 640. 640 is the answer. A cone is inscribed in a hollow cylinder. The height and base of the cone and cylinder is same. The cost of painting the curved surface area of the cylinder is 9072 at 14 rupees per centimeter square. and the curved surface area of the cone is 405 centimeters square. So find the space remaining in the cylinder after inscribing cone. So if the slant height of the cone is some L and R is the radius of the cone, radius and R is the radius and H is the height. H is the height. So here the cost is 9072 at 14 means the curved surface area of cylinder would be 9072 divided by 14, okay, which is equal to how much? 648 centimeters square. This 648 is nothing but 2 pi r h. 2 pi is taken as 3 r h. So from this pi is 3, so 2 into 3 6. I will get r h as 108. Similarly, it's also given the curved surface area of cone pi r L is 405. As pi is 3, I get RL. I get RL as 135. RL is equal to 135. So what do I get here? R is same. 108 by H is equal to 135 by L. So from this I will get L by H is equal to 5 by 4. 5 by 4. So L square is equal to, L square means 5x. 5x whole square, which is 25x square, is equal to R square plus H square. H square is 4x whole square, 16x square. From this I got R is equal to 3x. R is equal to 3x. And R is equal to how much actually? R is equal to 108. R is equal to 3x. So R is equal to 108 by 4x. 108 by 4x, because H is here 4x. H is 4x. So 108 by 4x. So from this 12x square is 108. That implies x I got as 3. If x is 3, then the height of the cone would be 4x, which is 12. Now, see, find the space remaining in the cylinder after inscribing cone. So, it is pi r square h minus 1/3 pi r square h, which is nothing but, so pi is 399 into h is 12 minus 1/3 pi is 399h is 12. So 1/3 pi r square h subtracted 2/3, so you will get 1944. 1944 is the answer. Okay. The income of Raju and Suresh are in the ratio 27:22. And the ratio of their expenses is 5:4. Raju saved 14,000 rupees and Suresh saves 12,000 rupees. Income of Mahesh is 6,000 rupees more than income of Raju. Income of Ramila is 20% more than income of Suresh. Find the respective ratio of the incomes of Mahesh and Ramil. So see here what is given. So Raju and Suresh, 27 is 22. So one is I am taking as 27x, the other is 22x. Their savings I am subtracting 14,000, 12,000, and the savings ratio is given as, the expenditure ratio is given as 5:4. From this I will get x is equal to how much? 2,000. If x is 2,000, income of Raju would be 27x, which is 54,000. And the income of Suresh would be 22x, which is 44,000. And income of Mahesh is how much more? 25% more. How much? 6,000 more. 54,000 plus 6,000, which is 60,000. And the income of Ramila is how much? 125 percentage. 25 percentage more means it is 55,000. 55,000. Now the ratio between income of Mahesh and Ramesh. So three zeros cancel. Thereby the ratio of these two is 5 12s are 5 11s are. 12 is to 11 is the answer. 12 is to 11 is the answer. Now next one. A 96 liter mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 7 is to 5. 7 is to 5. The milkman sold 48 liters of mixture and added 12 liters of milk and 10 liters of water to the remaining mixture. The milkman again sold 28 liters of mixture and added 6 liters of milk in the remaining mixture. Find the ratio of milk and water. Milk and water. So initially what happened, out of 96 you have 56 and 40. 56 and 40. 7 is to 5. Now out of this 96, 48 is sold. Remaining is 48. Remaining is 48. So that 48 whatever is sold, that is 28 and 12. 28 and 12. So how much would be quantity of milk? Quantity of milk. So please see here, after selling 48 liters and adding 12 liters and adding 12 liters. Am I correct? 7 parts is 7 is to 5, na? Sorry. 7 is to 5. 7 is to 5 means 7 parts 28. This is 20. 28 plus 20 is 48. Now this 28, 12 is added and this 12, 20, 10 is added. So milk would be 40. Okay, milk would be 40, water would be 30. Now total is how much? 70. Total is how much? 70. So milk to water ratio is 4 is to 3. 4 is to 3. Now after selling 28 liters of mixture and adding 6 liters of milk to the remaining mixture, the remaining mixture is how much? 70 minus 28, which is 42. 42 means this 42 will be again in the ratio 4 is to 3. 7 parts 42, so 4 parts 24, 3 parts 18. Right? 3 parts 18. Now thereby here 6 liters of milk is added now. 24 plus 6, how much? 30. So 30 and 18. 30 and 18. So 6 5s are 6 3s are. 6 5s are 6 3s are. 5 is to 3 is the answer. 5 is to 3 is the answer. Next, 4 shoe companies, Puma, Adidas, Reebok, Nike, sold 2 types of shoes, sports shoes and sneakers. In March, number of sports shoes and number of sneakers sold by Puma in March are in the ratio 3 is to 4 respectively. Total number of shoes sold by Puma in March is 30% less than total number of shoes sold by Adidas in March. Total number of shoes sold by Reebok, Adidas, Nike in March are in the ratio 4 is to 5 is to 7. Number of sneakers sold by Reebok in March is 40% less than number of sports shoes sold by Reebok in March. Number of sports shoes sold by Adidas in March is twice the number of sneakers sold by Reebok in March. Equal number of sports shoes and sneakers are sold by Nike in March. So average number of sports shoes sold in March are 450 more than average number of sneakers sold in March. So if you just see here, you have Puma, Adidas, Reebok and Nike. Right? You have 4 types of shoes. Right? Number of sports shoes, number of sneakers and total. Okay, so if I make the write the final thing, it is 3 into 600, 800, 4 into 600, how much? 4 into 600, 2400, thereby 7 into 600, how much? 4200. So it would be how much? 3600. It would be 2400. It would be 6000. And how much it is? 3000. 3 into 600, 1800. So it is 4800. It is how much? 4200. It is 4200. So it is 8400. This is the total final arrangement, final table. Now, number of sports shoes sold by Nike in March is what percentage less than number of sneakers sold by Adidas in March? So, 4200 minus 2400 by 2400 into 100. So, answer is 75%. 6 3s are 6 4s are. 3 by 4 means 75%. What is the average number of shoes sold by all four companies in March? So 4200 plus 6000 plus 4800 plus 8400 divided by 4 divided by, which is 23400 divided by 4, which is 5850. 5850. Next, if the number of sneakers and number of sports shoes sold by Nike in April are 25% less and 20% less than the respective number of sneakers and sports shoes sold by Nike in March, then find the total number of shoes sold by Nike in April. So if you see here, it is 75% of 4200. Sneakers by Nike. Sneakers by Nike would be in April would be 75%, 3/4 of 4200, which is 3150. Number of sports shoes by Nike in April is how much? 80%, 4/5 of 4200, which is 3360. What is sum of these two? 6510. 6510. What is the ratio of number of sports shoes sold by Adidas in March to the number of shoes sold by Nike in March? So it is nothing but 3600 is to 8400. So 12 3s are 12 7s are 3 is to 7. 3 is to 7. If Puma sold a sports shoe and sneaker for 200 rupees and 150 rupees, then find the total revenue generated by Puma in March by selling shoes. So it is 200 on 1800 and 150 on 2400. Thereby it is 7,20,000. 7,20,000 is the answer. 7.2 lakhs. 7.2 lakhs is 150, not 15. 150. Next. Question number 27. A man can cover 25% of the distance at the speed of 72 km per hour. Out of the remaining distance, he covers 50% of the distance at the speed of 50 and the rest at the speed of 60 km per hour. The total distance is covered in 9 hours, 55 minutes and 12 seconds. Find the total distance covered. Find the total distance covered. So, let the total distance be some 100x. So, it is given that 25%, 25x, 25x at a speed of 72, 37.5x at a speed of 50. And remaining 37.5x at a speed of 60. The total time taken is 9 hours, 55 minutes, 12 seconds. It is nothing but 9.92 hours. So if we simplify this, how much I am going to get? 3100x is equal to 17856 on simplification. Okay, because here the LCM is 1800. LCM is 1800. Thereby, I am going to get x as 5.76. 5.76. And I need the total distance 100x, which is 576. So, answer is 576. A boat can cover 154 km upstream in 3.5 hours, while the boat can cover 208 km downstream in 4 hours. Find the speed of upstream. Find the speed of upstream. Find the speed of stream. Speed of stream. So upstream speed is equal to 154 by 3.5, which is 44 kilometer per hour. Downstream speed is equal to 208 by 4, which is 52. Thereby speed of stream would be ds minus us by 2, which is 8 by 2, 4 kilometer per hour. Next, the line chart shows percentage of female population out of total population of 5 different villages in 2016 and 17. The total population of Rampur in 16 was 2400 and its population is increased by 15% in 17. In 17, then find the percentage increase in the number of females from 16 to 17 in Rampur. So it is given that percentage of female population with respect to the total population are given. Okay, this one is 16, this one is 17. So female population in Rampur in 16, how much? 40% of 2400, which is 960. And population of Rampur in 2017 is how much? 15% more than 2400, means how much? 360 more, 2760. And female population in Rampur in 2016, female population of Rampur in 2016 is how much? 17 is how much? 45%. Am I correct? Am I correct or not? 45%. Rampur, this is female, this is 17. So in 16, female population in Rampur is 40%. 40% of 2400 is how much? Am I correct or not? Total 40% of 2400 is 960. Now population of Rampur in 2017 is 2760. If it is increased, means it will become how much? It is 45%. 45% of 2760, which is 1242. Now required percentage. What is that? Find the percentage increase in number of females. 960 becomes 1242. 960 becomes 1242, means 282 on 960. 282 on 960 is how much percentage? It is very close to 30, 29.375. Next, if the male population of Dhampur in 17 was 1920, the total population of Dhampur in 16 was 2800. Find the difference between the number of females in Dhampur. So here number of females in Dhampur in 16 is how much? 34% of 2800, which is equal to 952. And it is given that what is given? The male population of Dhampur in 17 was 1920. So, and total population of Dhampur, so which is 60% or not? If 60% is 1920, then if 60% is in 1920, then 40% would be how much? 1280. Am I correct? If 60% is 1920, then 40% would be 1280. Number of females in 17. So what is the difference here? 1280 and 952. What is the difference? The difference is 328. So answer is option 4. Next. If the male population of Naharpur in 16 and 17 was 2100 and 2320 respectively, the ratio of population in 16 and 17. So 70% is 2100. If 70% is 2100, then total 100% would be how much? 3000. Similarly, 58% is 2320. Then 100% would be how much? 4000. So what is the ratio here? 3:4. 3:4. Next, in Girirdi, female population in 16 was 2415. The population of Girirdi was increased by 20% from 16 to 17. Then what was the female population of Girirdi in 17? So if 46% is 2415, if 46% is 2415, then 100% would be how much? 5250. It is increased by 20%. So it becomes 6300. And females in the same in 2017 is 38% of 6300. So how much it is? 38% of 6300 is 2394. 2394 is the answer. Now next, male population of Shampur was increased by 20% from 17 to 18, and the male population of Shampur in 18 was 3300. What was total population of Shampur in 18 if female population of Shampur was increased by 10% from 17 to 18? So if you observe here, male population of Shampur in 2017. In 2017. So it is given 3300. 3300. So if 120% is 3300, then 100% would be how much? 100% would be 2750. 2750. So male population in Shampur in 2017. 2017 is how much? 2750. Now female population of same in 2017. 2017. How much? 2750. 2750 divided by 0.55. Okay, is equal to how much? How much you are going to get? 2750 divided by 55. In 2018, the female population of Shampur in 2018 is how much? 10% more. 10% more means 110%. 110%. So 110% of 110% of 110% of 2250. 2250 is how much? 2475. 2475. So 2475 plus 3300. What is the sum of these two? 5775. 57. Next, if the ratio of number of next one more data is there. There are some students who are pursuing BTech, MTech and PhD in IIT Kanpur. In IIT Kanpur, BTech, MTech and PhD courses duration are 4, 3 and 5 years respectively. The bar graph shows number of students present in different years, first, second and third years respectively. The ratio of number of PhD students in third to fourth year is 4:5. 4:5, and number of PhD students in fifth year is 40% less than that of fourth year. Then find the number of PhD students in fifth year is how much percentage less than number of first year. So how much you are going to get? Number of students in fourth year. Number of students in fourth year is how much actually? In 244, 25% is more, which is 305. Okay, fifth year it is how much? 60% of 305, which is 183. 183. So you got 183 And so how much is different here? For number of PhD students in fifth year is 412 minus 183, which is 229 less. 229 less. How much less? Is not asked percentage. Total number of students. Total number of students in BTech is 1334. 1334. The ratio of boys to girls. Boys to girls. In first, second and third year of BTech is 27:14, 1:3, 7:5. Total number of boys in BTech is 597. Find number of girls. Find number of girls. So here 1334 minus 597 is the remaining. Remaining how much? 14 minus 7, 7. 12 minus 9, 3. And then 12 minus 5, 7. 737. 737. Am I correct? Right. Now, the number of girls in first year. Number of girls in first year would be 14 by 41. 14 by 41 of total girls. Okay, total, which is 246. Thereby it is 41. It's how much? 84. How much? 84. And number of girls in second year. Second year would be 3 by 4. 3/4 of 552. Which is how much? 414. Like that, third year, 5 by 12th of 372, which is 155. So this total, if I subtract, and this total I am subtracting from 737. 737 minus this total will give me number of girls in fourth year. Number of girls in fourth year, the answer is 84. The answer is 84. Total girls minus first, second and third. Average number of students in PhD in each year is 240. Out of the number of students in fourth and fifth year together, 30% received scholarship to do foreign research. What is number of students of fourth and fifth year who received scholarship? Total number of students here is PhD is 240 into 5, 1200. So out of 1200, how many have what is given? Number of students in the fifth year who received scholarship. Who received scholarship is how much? 30% of 420. Of 420. 420 are from third year or are from fifth year. 30% of 420 is how much? 126. 126 is the answer. 126, yes. Next. Please see what is the average number of students in each year of MTech. Each year of MTech. So it is 175 plus 335 plus 270 divided by 3, which is 260. And what is the average number of first year students in each of the given courses? That is 246 plus 175 plus 412 divided by 3, which is approximately 275 or 277, right? So 260 is less than 275, 1 is less than 2. Now next one. See here, total number of second year students in the given 3 courses together is dash more than number of first year students in the given 3 courses together in college. The value given in which of the following option will fulfill the blank. If you see here, the total number of second year students in college is second year students is how much? 1011. First year it is 833. What is difference? 178. 178 is the answer. Next, find the number of days taken by Bimal to complete the work. Raja, Bimal and Tina together can complete the work in 5 days. Efficiency of Raja is twice of Tina. Bimal and Tina together can complete the work in 10 days. Bimal and Tina, so 1 and 2 are sufficient. 1 and 2 are sufficient to answer. So answer is only 1. Find the price marked by Neelam of the article. So marked price of article by Neelam we need to find out. Neelam bought the article for 120. Cost price is given. She earned a profit of 12 percentage. Profit of 12 percentage. She gave a discount. All 1, 2, 3 are required. Thereby you can find the market price. Cost price is given. When the profit and the discount both are given, then you can find the market price. Market price. Is it okay? So all 1, 2, 3 are required. So answer is option 3. So this is the fourth paper mock analysis on quantitative aptitude. And once again go to the paper again because I have done somewhat quickly, and whatever the things I have done quickly I have given you. And once again if you practice, then it will be useful for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching the today's video. Thank you so much.
Okay. Hope you all loved the video and we added some value to you. If you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel firstly. And if you are looking to join for the banking program or for SSC or for the RRB, so don't go further. You have the option of an online class, offline class, or even hybrid mode, or even the recorded classes. Whichever is your easy mode of access, please do join for that. And how to join, the details, everything is given below in the description. You can go back and check it out. And our Learncrew app is available both on Play Store as well as on App Store. Check it out and download it and have the complete subscription for it.